Do you want to make your PLR even more profitable? Do you want to learn about some easy, but outside the box ways to use PLR that can bring in more income? If so, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Reggie Patterson and welcome to Digital Retirement Rebels. Today I'm going to share with you 4 indirect ways to boost your income with PLR so that you can achieve your financial goals faster and easier than you ever thought possible. But before we dive into these tips, let me quickly explain what PLR is. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which means you have the right to use, modify, and even claim ownership of the content as if you created it yourself. This gives you a lot of flexibility to create high-quality content, products, and services that you can sell for a profit. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Before we get started, I want to mention that these tips are not direct ways to make money with PLR. Instead, they are indirect ways to leverage PLR to boost your income. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money online, this may not be for you. But if you're willing to put in some effort, time, and creativity, these tips can help you unlock the full potential of PLR and take your income to the next level. Private label rights content is a highly versatile tool. While it can be used as content on your blogs, sites, or sold as your own products, there are also several other ways you can make the content work for you. As a PLR user, you'll need to understand the concept of PLR to know when you need to rewrite it and when you need to rebrand it or repurpose it. PLR can be used in several different ways to generate an income online. It's all a matter of using the content strategically to get sales directly or indirectly. Now let's look at 4 ways you can boost your income indirectly with PLR. First is with question and answer sites. There are many question and answer sites such as Quora.com, Yahoo Answers, etc. These are active sites with thousands of users posting questions daily. One way to drive traffic to your own web properties will be to answer questions that people post on these sites. Always include a link in your profile back to your own blog or products. The goal is not to draw attention to the link. What you should do is deliver so much value that the readers get curious about who you are and click on the link in your signature. This is how you siphon traffic to your sites. So where do you get content to answer their questions? PLR, of course. You just need to find PLR articles that contain information which answers these questions. Then it's just a matter of posting that content. You don't need to worry about making the content unique because this is just a question and answer site. As long as your answers are relevant, you'll get their attention. Then we have giveaway reports. PLR reports can be converted into PDFs and given away on file sharing sites, forums, Facebook groups, and so on. The rule of thumb is that you must always appear to be helping the audience. Forums and groups tend to frown on marketers who offer a gift but use an opt-in page to capture emails. You'll look like you're just using the group or forum for your own benefit, which you actually are. This display of vested interest will either get you a warning or it'll get you booted out of the community. So the best way to go about it is to give your report away with no strings attached. No opt-ins. But here's what you do. You'll add a link to your website at the bottom of every page in your report. You'll also sprinkle affiliate links throughout the report that will help you get passive sales. At the end of the report, you'll have links to 2 or 3 other free reports that the reader can gain access to. But guess what? They'll need to opt in to get these reports. Now, you don't have to play by the group's rules because the links are in the PDFs. You've delivered so much value in your initial offering that the reader wants more of what you're offering and will willingly provide their email. Next is quick tips. You can break down your PLR content into bite-sized quick tips. Convert these tips into short videos that you can post on Facebook or images you can use on Pinterest. Several people who find your quick tips will look for you through the links in your video channel or by clicking on your images which are linked to your blog or your websites. And number 4 is offline marketing. Offline marketing can be used for lead generation or to drive traffic. You'll need to summarize your PLR articles into short, catchy content phrases. You can either convert them into infographics or use them as flyers, pamphlets, and brochures. For example, if you own a pharmacy, printing out a PLR article on the benefits of vitamin D as an attractive pamphlet and juxtaposing the content next to images of vitamin D supplements you're selling in your store will help you to educate the customer and convert potential buyers into paying customers. Now, these 4 methods are just a few of the many ways PLR can be harnessed for your marketing online and offline. Thinking out of the box will allow you to tap into the sheer versatility of PLR, and you'll appreciate how useful it can be for your business. So there you have it, 4 indirect ways to boost your income with PLR. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring, and if you want to learn more about rebranding PLR, I have a free guide for you. It's called the PLR Rebranding Masters Series, and it shows you step by step how to rebrand PLR and create your own brand. To download your free copy, simply click on the link in the description below or go to impc.ws/PLR rebrand. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.